In this video, I'll show you how you can easily add funds to your account. It's as simple as ABC. Let's go. Click on the Add Funds button on the home screen. You'll find various deposit methods to choose from. You can deposit using cryptocurrency, any of the many networks provided. Select the cryptocurrency you want, select the network, and ensure you use the same information on the other platform you want to deposit from. Alternatively, you can fund your account using debit cards. Both Visa and MasterCards are supported. Just input the local currency amount you want, choose the cryptocurrency you want, buy, and confirm your verification and card details. You can also buy using peer-to-peer, my favorite and reliable method. And most merchants will offer you one of the fiat currencies you have for one USDT. Go through the simple steps and buy your crypto. You can also use the same process to sell when you want to withdraw. You can also use mobile money if it's available in your region. You can also buy using bank deposit. Bitget now supports ZAR direct bank deposit. After you deposit, you can convert to your favorite cryptocurrency. You can easily withdraw your funds directly to your bank if you're using ZAR. What are you waiting for? Complete your first deposit now. Trade smarter with Bitget.